Hey guys, this is Davey Russell from daveyandtracy.com, and I want to do a quick video and share with you something that I was just sent, and it is a Tibetan singing bowl. So this is something, singing bowls are something that Tracy and I are really new to, and it's something that we wanted for a long time. But last year, Tracy and I, we were in this shop where they sold all these, singing bowls and spiritual stuff. And we were looking at them, and it turned into this overwhelming experience of looking at, they had like 8 or 9 different singing bowls of different sizes, and each one had a different tone that was aligned to a different chakra. And I don't know anything about chakras, and I don't know anything about singing bowls. And so we're sitting there scratching our heads going, what bowl should we get? And what tone do we want to commit to? And never mind the fact that singing bowls tend to be a little bit on the expensive side, like $100 or more for a good sized bowl. And so when you're shopping for singing bowls at a shop like that, you feel just overwhelmed because you feel like you're investing in something that's going to cost a bunch. You can't have, it takes time to get multiple singing bowls if they're $100, $150 a piece. So I was really excited when Shanti Bowl, Jessica from Shanti Bowl, reached out to me and told me about their singing bowls. And the interesting thing about them is that they sell one singing bowl. They're kind of set up to be a singing bowl shop for beginners. They create and sell one singing bowl, and it's super affordable. It's about $54 on their website. So they sent this to me for free to share with you guys, and I'm very excited about it. So I'm going to open it up and I'm going to talk to you about the singing bowl. Now, this is my very first Tibetan singing bowl, and so I am not an experienced singing bowl user. I've never used one before other than just dinging a couple at a shop. But before I open this up, I just want to talk to you why singing bowls? Why is that something that Tracy and I have wanted? Why is it something that I'm even talking about? And if you've never used a singing bowl before, it's kind of like a bell. It's a metal bowl, and it comes with a wooden mallet, and you just ding the bell. What it's supposed to do, or ding, hit the bowl. You could also rub the mallet over the top to make this kind of prolonged singing sound. That's why they're called singing bowls. Now, the benefits of singing bowls, of Tibetan singing bowls, is that they're kind of like a sound therapy. They put you in this meditative, peaceful state. They're supposed to give you this clarity of mind and enhance your intuition. The sound vibration impacts the nervous system, and it's supposed to inhibit the stress and pain response. So not only are Tibetan singing bowls used for meditation and for clearing negative energy, but they're also used for for both emotional and physical therapeutic purposes. So I'm gonna just open this up and show you guys what a $54 singing bowl looks like from Shanti Bowl. So it comes in this pretty nondescript package, and I open it up, and right inside we have the mallet. It's just a standard wooden mallet with a red piece of, I'm not sure what this is. I want to say leather, but I'm not sure. It might not be. It has this kind of suede-like feel to it. It might be synthetic, maybe it is leather. I don't know. But yeah, just your typical basic mallet. Okay, so it has this information card that tells you a little bit about singing bowl and the benefits of it. And then we get to the bowl itself. So these are handmade, and if you look closely at it, you'll see kind of the imperfections of a handmade bowl. These are not machined in a factory in China. These are handmade. And so you can see like where, I guess they hammer them out of the metal. So you can see that. And they're not like these smooth polished bowls. They look like something that you would find in a Tibetan what monastery or temple. This looks very, very authentic, and it feels really good in the hand. It's a good size too. It's a great size. It's bigger than I was expecting it to be. So let's do the test here. So like I said, I'm not an experienced Tibetan singing bowl user. So I'm gonna hold it in my hand like this. I know they have stands for it. You don't wanna obviously grab it like this because it's gonna stop the vibration. So if you just rest it in the palm of your hand, or you can put it on a pillow or a beanbag or something, just so that you're not stopping the vibration. I like that tone. I've heard some singing bowls, that have a very high pitched tone, and some have a very low tone. It depends on the size of the bowl. So a smaller bowl is going to have a much more higher pitched tone, and a large bowl is going to have a low resonance to it. I've been in a store. That store I was telling you about had a large quartz crystal bowl. I mean, this thing was huge, and it would make a really loud, really deep sound. It's pretty awesome. I like this though. This is a good sound. I would say this is a great all-around starter singing bowl for somebody who's just getting into it, because the price point is great. You're not making a huge investment, but this sound is kind of like it's not too high, it's not too low. It's kind of exactly what I want a singing bowl to sound like. Yeah, that's awesome. Now, there's I'm no good at this. I need to practice and figure out how to do this, because I see people online do this. They make the singing bowl sing like this, and it's oh wait, no, it's not working. So this is something I need to practice. I need to practice doing this, and it's supposed to keep singing, but. I like this. I like this a lot. And I like the look of it. It's not super ornate, but it looks functional. It looks like a real spiritual tool, not just a decoration to put on an altar or something like that. So that's good. So I'm gonna do a full-on write-up on singing bowls on daveyandtracy.com. I'm going to do a big in-depth article researching the health benefits and a little more information about them. I'm going to be talking more about the usage of this bowl and how Tracy and I are using this bowl. I think what we might do is we might actually use this to start our morning rituals in the morning when we get up. We get up and maybe we'll hit the bowl first and do our intentions, or maybe we'll set our intentions, then hit the bowl and do our stretch, and then our regular morning routine. I might use this in the evening too. And I mean, this might be a great thing to do when you get home from work at the end of the day. It's just, first thing you do, just clear out all that stress and negativity that you've picked up throughout the day. I find this sound to be pretty cleansing, and I like it, especially if you listen to that sound and you just imagine the sound vibrations just kind of like cleansing you, kind of like a sonic toothbrush blasting the plaque from your teeth. This is kind of like a sonically blasting negativity and stress away from you. So yeah, so I think that's probably how we're going to use it primarily. And as I learn more about singing bowls and dive deeper into it, I might use it for other purposes too. And I'm really interested in learn more about the therapeutic uses of singing bowls too, especially for mental health, like anxiety and depression. How can these benefit someone who struggles with anxiety, depression, or under chronic stress? So those are all things I'm going to be writing about. And if you're interested in getting a singing bowl, I mean, I don't have an actual affiliation with this company. I'm not trying to, I'm not making commissions here or anything, but they were nice enough to send this bowl, and it's something that Tracy and I are going to use every day. So if you're interested, they're shantibowl.com. That's probably backwards, isn't it? You get the idea though. Shantibowl.com, and I'll put a link below. And if you are overwhelmed with options on singing bowls, which one to get, If you're kind of turned off by how expensive they are, or you're not sure you're getting a good quality one, this is a good option. This is a good starter bowl. It doesn't require a big investment. I think they're on their site, it's like $54.50. And I like it. So if you use singing bowls, do you use singing bowls? If you do, please comment below. Let me know how you use them, how many you have. Is this going to be the start of an obsession? I'm going to end up with 10 of these things in different sounds. I don't know. But I would love to hear from you. And let me know how you use them. And let me know if there are any good tutorials out there that's going to teach me how to play it this way, because I just can't figure that out no matter how hard I try. So, all right, guys. So until next time, I'm Davey Russell from DaveyandTracy.com. Thanks for tuning in, and have a great day. Just one more.